Hey creators, have you explored the potential of streaming pre-recorded videos in an infinite loop yet? Dive into JustStream.pro, a game-changing platform. Imagine expanding your audience on YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook continuously 24/7. Experience greater engagement, a broader reach, and indeed, enhanced passive income. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step from account creation to setting up non-stop looping content. Getting started is simple. Visit JustStream.pro and sign up using your email. For a quicker approach, you can also register with Google or Facebook. Next, choose your membership. Not sure? Try it out with a 7-day trial. I personally vouch for the 24/7 streams option. It allows you to broadcast on 2 platforms concurrently, such as YouTube and Twitch. Once set, dive into the primary streaming platform. Now it's time to build your video library. While you can upload directly from your PC, the most efficient way is to grab videos directly from YouTube. Just copy and paste the YouTube URL. It's incredibly fast, and there's no limit to the number of videos you can add. With ample gigabytes at your disposal, you can craft an extensive video library. Now that you've uploaded your videos, it's essential to set up a playlist. Playlists will determine the sequence in which your videos will stream continuously. And the best part? You can create an unlimited number of playlists. Arrange them to your liking or simply shuffle for variety. Now that you've set up a playlist, you're ready to stream it continuously. Let's say you want to broadcast it on Twitch. To do this, click on My Streams, select Twitch as your streaming platform, choose the playlist you want to broadcast, and input your streaming key. Not sure about streaming keys? Don't worry, we have a helpful guide to assist you. Click Start, and just like that, you're live, sharing with the world. Your stream can run forever, looping the playlist indefinitely. However, you always have the flexibility to stop it whenever you wish, resort the playlist, or use a new one. Interested in seeing it firsthand? Check out the Quiet Barbershop stream at twitch.tv/ASMR_sleep_official. Now for some insight. This channel made over $200 per month on Twitch alone. The kicker? The Twitch stream runs passively, meaning it's been live for months, earning steadily without daily intervention. The very essence of passive income, wouldn't you say? Creators, it's your turn. Jump into JustStream.pro, expand your reach, and unleash your passive income potential.